We have a quick walkthrough on an important document that's going to potentially change your life. You're probably here because you've seen one of my shorts. So I'm gonna break down how to make money on the internet. So when I'm making content, it's strictly to help people with their products. My niche is skill-based digital marketing. My niche is helping people have another avenue to making money online. So simple. All I do is pique people's interest and I show them how to get a product that they can offer to the digital real estate space on skills in making money on the internet. See, people think behind these courses, behind digital marketing, there's just no skills. You're just reselling, but they don't realize that reselling is a skill in itself. Attracting people, building an audience, getting people to stop the scroll, getting people to comment and engage. And then on the back end, getting people through an automated system with an email follow-up series. I got one person right here already waiting for the next email. So what people don't understand is there's sales and marketing education behind these short form videos. The reason why we make them so short and so simple is because your attention span has wore off. So the audience is the biggest part in this whole deal. How do we build our audience from scratch, zero following? Well, they're people just like you. If you're in this make money online space, people just like you. So whatever got you to watch, one of my short form videos and got you here, whatever got you to look at any pieces of my content, that's the same thing people are going through in the internet, on the internet. So your content needs to be engaging, like-minded, eye-catching, and relatable. So we'll be using softwares outside of you just recording your own video, talking and speaking and using the information we tell you. You'll be able to create videos like this. This is VO3. I don't use this as much, but you can see right here, I made this same video without the voiceover in another software that you're going to learn on the back end. I don't want everyone knowing about this software. And I mean, you can't really saturate it, but right now, a lot of people aren't using this software. So I want to keep it, specifically to my people. So you see, this is real life, like real cinematic, great for B-roll 9-second clips. So we already got the eye catching, and as far as the other like-minded, etc., this is where you come in hands. So we got prompts that are going to let you figure out your audience, figure out who you are and what problems you have that other people are dealing with, and we're going to put that into these short form videos that are going to create the engaging, like-minded, and relatability in these videos. And I want you to know this is the most important step. You rinse and repeat. Every day there's someone who doesn't like their job. Every day there's someone who wants more money. Every day, even if it's someone that doesn't want to quit their job, every day there's someone who like, hey, if I had an extra $900 every month, an extra whatever, I could have room to breathe. And that's what this is going to do. I'm gonna say one or two big things that changed my perspective, because one, you're probably like, who's going to buy from me? Why would somebody spend their money on this? And two, you're probably thinking there can't be that many people out there. And that's where you're stuck in your bubble in your situation. One, people buy skills every day. You go to college and spend 40, 50K a semester to learn math and the skills you need to go get a job. People are buying and downloading different educational things every day. It's $1 billion business. You just have to get out of your environment and realize that people are spending. Just like you look at a foreign car dealership and you like, ain't nobody really in there. There's people in there daily. It's just outside of your situation and environment. So whether you like it or not, the community that we're in right now offering this product, let me actually pull it up. Our community is at 54,000 members, paid. So these people bought one of our digital products. There's almost 200 online right now. If I come in here and we'll just look at a few wins, and I'll just slowly scroll through these wins real quick. I want you guys to understand, and these are just hours ago. So I want you to understand that it's not just me. I mean, it's not just me. I'm not the only one. And by the way, this is not the actual digital product. This is just extra bonus education. Like right now we're on our sprint. I mean, you get so much education. The value is not the key. The key is you making a mental shift on wanting to do this, right? That's the real key. The value is there. This is not even the digital product itself. It's hosted on a whole new platform. This is just a bonus training that we get every single, day. And there's plenty of training that we've done. You know what I mean? So it's too much information, as a matter of fact. So you'll get your money's worth. But another thing I'm going to end this off on is when you join something like this, it's always going to be active. Your system's always going to be there. You're always going to be able to make content. So whether you fall off of making content for a few weeks, it's still going to be there. You can't really say that with anything else. Anything else, if you stop usually doing it, you get fired. You lose opportunity. You can always pick up where you left off with this. So when you pay to set all this up, it's always there. So there's no rush. You know what I mean? Unless you're ready now to take advantage and start doing what you need to do. But this is just a video I wanted to help you guys bridge the gap between the short form videos that kind of just get you excited to what's going on behind the scenes. All the information will be in the description below.